really excited to be here carrying on our voice integrations with our ADT Pulse platform. Last year we introduced the Alexa skill, the only custom Alexa skill in the security industry. We'll be introducing the spring Google Home integrations. We also have our first ADT Doorbell cam, which we're very excited about. That's going to tie directly into your ADT Pulse platform. We also have our brand new ADT Go app, which is going to help you go outside the home. You spend most of your time outside the house. This is about family safety. You have driver protection alerts. Think about your teen drivers. And you also have a mobile SOS button. If you complete this and you're in trouble, ADT will send emergency first responders to you. It's just exactly like a panic response from your house. So we're really focused on expanding and evolving security outside the home because we want our customers to feel safe wherever they are.